I just wanted to video this high stream down. Donut. 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 I'm actually getting up here. I'm getting up here so I have a higher space to roam down. Done it. Yes, sir. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Turn it. Okay, guys, that is today's video. It's actually raining. If you saw raindrops, then yeah, it was actually blinding me through the ride. I was closing my eyes halfway through because it's blinding me. Oh boy, this just sounded. Well, that's today's video, guys. Until game room starts. Guys, I just wanted to say bye because this video is over. Warning, if you copy off this video, then it's illegal. Warning. Just saying, if you saw any personal information of any kind, please contact me in any way. If you saw any personal information, please do not tell your friends or anything about it. I don't know if I had mistakes or something like that. So, if you know it, just tell me what it is and we'll fix it up. Now, yes, if you're wondering what the date is, it's 12 date is 12-13-16. That date is today. Tomorrow is 12-14-16. Yesterday was 12-12-16. Guys, well, can't tell you when my birthday's coming up, but it's coming up close. This is not any personal information. It is not telling the exact day. There's actually a car beside me. And it is my sister's car.
You animal?
I've been making a video.